Hi. I just want to talk to you for a moment about something that's coming up as I'm recording this. It's Saturday just after noon, and on Monday morning, that'll be the 1st of October, a survey will go out to you students. It's a course evaluation survey. You will receive an email about that survey, and there will be a notification in Blackboard about that survey. I want to say a couple of things about it. One, the surveys are very important. Please do take the time to fill them out. They are read. Professors are required to read them, and professors are required to respond to what we read in them and say what we're going to do about it. Of course, that doesn't mean we can change everything according to what a student doesn't like, but we do want to know, and we will make changes. The second thing is, you'll see that the email notifying you of the survey comes from me. I'll come back to that thought in a moment, but these surveys are my responsibility. And they're not working right. It's through Blackboard. I've put it in a help ticket. I don't know why they're not working right, but what has been happening is there's a link in the bottom of the email that says click here to take the survey, and the link doesn't work. But there's a second link, and it will be a banner across the top of the course page in Blackboard. It'll have the name of the survey, something like graduate student course evaluation, something like that. And then at the right-hand side, the top right corner of Blackboard, there'll be a button that says, I think, take survey, something like that. That's it. Click on that. It's not too many questions. It will only take you a long time if you want to say a lot in the open-ended part of it. But those surveys are important to us. Please persevere through what may be a non-working link in the email and find the link in the course. The survey will be open for 2 weeks from October 1st to the 15th. Grades are due the day after that, and so the surveys close off before grades are finalized. I said I'd come back to the email. Here's another thing about that. There is a protocol, if you will, to doing course evaluations, and one of the protocols should be that the professor isn't the one giving you the course evaluation. And my primary job at Grace Christian University is associate provost. I'm an administrator, but I happen to be teaching this course. So you're going to get that email from me. I'm actually working on handing that responsibility off so that these will go out from someone who doesn't teach. But for this session, it's going to come out from me. So I want to assure you, I cannot determine who said what in the survey. The results are anonymous. I will be able to see everything. I'll see all the comments, see all the scores, but I can't tell who said what, even though I am the administrator of the survey. And if you want to give feedback, you're concerned about that, you want to give feedback that, that I'm not handing it to you, feel free to contact Dr. Tony Adams. He is the Dean of the Graduate Program, Dr. Kim Polisi, our Provost. Becca Zuber is our, I don't even know what her title is, but she makes the grad program go. She's taking care of everything to make this work for us. Feel free to make that contact. But your survey, this is the main thing, your survey is very important to us. Please take a few minutes sometime between October 1st and October 15th and fill it out. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. Again, if you don't want to ask me the questions, probably the best person to start with is Becca Zuber at Grace Christian University. Thanks. Look forward to working with you this week.